Alright, so I'm gonna do a couple little videos on food preps. It's been over 10 years since the last time we put up food, and I learned that it's better to do some smaller bags than the 5-gallon Mylar bags that I did. So this is some of the stuff I've got here. I've got these vacuum packed canisters. I'll show you one over here. I'm gonna open rice that I put away in 2009, a 5-gallon bucket of it, and see if it's still good. This is the little nozzle that plugs in there. So I bought some of these to store some of that rice once it's open. So I'll do a video of that, and we'll do a video of the whole process of how we're gonna pack these bags. So these are the bags. These are 1-gallon Mylar bags. Those are the oxygen absorbers. And I'll take you through the whole process of how we're gonna do it. It'll probably be a couple videos. If I can figure it out, I'll just splice them all into one video. This is another vacuum packer. So the first thing we're doing is vacuum packing our spices that are gonna go in each bag. So that's a little bit of salt. This is pepper. I'll probably just throw some spices like this in here and some bouillon, but I'll go through all that. I just wanted to show how we're gonna do it.
So we are making packs that will last probably about 3 days in case of an emergency. So this particular one is milk.
So we're stuffing Mylar bags here. Hopefully these bags can last 20 years. So that's powdered milk. We got black beans.
Beans, rice. I have labeled each bag with the ratios.
To how much water and any other spices or whatever.
Beans and rice. Here we have grits. Potato flakes. Like this. Chicken bouillon. Coffee, must have.
Instant freeze-dried coffee is the best.
Green tea. It's going to be a little tight, so you have to kind of like Tetris in here. Sugar.
So these have been vacuum packed, and now we're putting them in a Mylar bag, and then we're gonna put oxygen absorbers in them.
This is baking soda. It has hundreds of uses. One would be to brush your teeth or clean your pot. And now for our condiments. We've got some Sazon Goya packets, salt, peppercorns, must have coffee creamer, and then we will also place an oxygen absorber in there and seal it up with a flat iron.
We'll film the oxygen absorber and the sealing in another video.
And it's a perfect fit. This kit should last you about 3 days, give or take. And it's all the essentials.
Okay, so we put the oxygen absorbers in here, the little packets, they're over there. If you wanna film those and just show them what they look like. You wanna work fast when you get these out. Anyways, the bag is a gallon bag. It calls for 1 to 2, but we went with 3 because we have so many. I'm using, what is this called?
A flat iron.
A flat iron to seal it. So I'm gonna try to get down about 1 inch on the bag. And you don't wanna seal it all the way at the beginning. You wanna get most of it. And then try to burp some of the air out best you can there. This doesn't have a whole lot of air because we filled them so full. And that's it. So this should be about 3 days of food, and there's stuff in there for lunch, breakfast, and dinner.
Awesome.
All right, that's the end.